Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check software version for your speaker JBL Grip. You have to start by open JBL Portable application, and of course your speaker should be connected with the app. Then the application open for you the speaker menu. But if you are in the main menu, just tap at your speaker at the device list. Then you need to scroll down and click at the product information at the bottom. And right here we have software. So this one is product firmware version. It's the same as software. So right here, this one is your current software version. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.